You will start to lay out the walls according to the floor plan. The first walls we will put in will be the one between the living room and the bedroom 1, as well as the horizontal interior wall between bedroom 2 and bedroom 1. To begin laying out the interior walls, in the project browser, under the floor plan views, make sure that the finished floor 1 floor plan view is active. Next, you will select the Architecture tab. In the Build section of the ribbon, you will select Wall, and you will select Wall Architectural. In the Properties, you want to select the one that says Basic Wall Interior 2x4 Partition Wall. In the Properties, make sure that the base constraint is set to Finished Floor 1 and the top constraint is set to Finished Ceiling 1. The interior walls will go from the finished floor 1 up to the finished ceiling 1. Bring your cursor into the drawing area along the bottom horizontal wall and click. You will drag this wall up to approximately 18 feet 6 inches and click. Click on the Modify button to break the wall command. The horizontal wall that we need to create will start at the vertical wall to the right of the building. We will place the cursor along the exterior wall to the right of the building and click. We will drag this wall to the vertical wall that we just created and click. Click on the Modify button to end or break the wall command. The vertical wall between the living room and bedroom 1 is 16 feet 9.5 inches from the exterior wall to the center of the interior wall. When locating the placement of interior walls, the dimension usually references the center of the stud. To properly place the vertical wall between the living room and the bedroom, we will need to select the interior wall. You should see some parametric or temporary dimensions appear. You want to make sure that on this parametric or temporary dimension, we will click and hold on the witness line or click and hold on the bubble and drag that to the exterior material for the exterior wall. For the interior wall, we will need to select the witness line. If we click on it once, it will jump to the center of the wall. If we click again, it will jump to the outside face of the stud. We want this dimension to reference the center of the stud. So you will click on it until it jumps to the center. Once the temporary dimension has been properly located, next you will select the dimension and edit it. So you will change this dimension to say 16 feet 9 1/2 inches and press enter. That will cause the wall to move, and it is located 16 feet 9.5 inches from the exterior material on the exterior wall. After making the modification to the dimension, you will click on this icon to convert this temporary dimension into a permanent dimension. You will select it, click in the white space, click on the dimension line, and lock the dimension.